Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sanpala Nagachandrudu, advocate, who get right over a property purchased in the name of wife. My dear friends, generally big question in the society and a question in the families who guides right owner a property purchased by husband in the name of his wife. So recently Allahabad High Court clearly state in the first appeal number 321 of 2023 is that a property purchased by a Hindu husband in the name of his homemaker and spouse